Hey there, sunseekers and beach lovers. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear waters of Fuerteventura to explore a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Corralejo. Get ready to soak up the sun and immerse yourself in the laid-back vibes of the Barceló Corralejo Sands, a four-star oasis that's been turning heads and winning hearts. Let's kick things off with a look at the rooms, shall we? The Barceló Corralejo Sands boasts a whopping 155 rooms and suites, each one a little slice of paradise. Now, while we don't have the exact breakdown of room types, we can tell you that these bad boys are spacious, functional, and designed with your comfort in mind. Picture this. You wake up, stretch out in your cozy bed, and saunter over to the window to catch a glimpse of the sparkling ocean or the bustling town below. Not too shabby, right? The rooms are decked out with all the mod cons you'd expect from a four-star joint. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool as a cucumber, flat-screen TVs for those lazy evenings in, and free Wi-Fi so you can make all your friends back home green with envy. And let's not forget the minibar, perfect for that cheeky nightcap or mid-afternoon refresher. Now, while we don't have the exact sizes of these rooms, trust us when we say they're roomy enough to do a little happy dance when you first walk in. And if you're lucky enough to snag a room with an ocean view, well, let's just say you might never want to leave. But hey, we're not here to stay cooped up in our rooms all day, are we? Let's talk grub. While the hotel's keeping its cards close to its chest when it comes to specific restaurant names and concepts, we can assure you that you won't go hungry at the Barceló Corralejo Sands. They've got an on-site restaurant that's sure to tickle your taste buds, and rumor has it there might even be a bar or two for those of you who fancy a cocktail with your sunset. Now, we might not have the exact menu details, but let's use our imagination, shall we? Picture yourself tucking into some fresh seafood caught that very morning or savoring a juicy steak cooked to perfection. And let's not forget about the local Canarian cuisine. Think papas arrogadas, wrinkly potatoes with mojo sauce, or a hearty gofio escaldado. Yum! While we can't give you the lowdown on dress codes or opening hours, we reckon it's safe to say you won't need to pack your tuxedo or ball gown. This is Fuerteventura. After all, laid back is the name of the game. Now, let's dive into the real star of the show, the pools and beaches. The Barceló Corralejo Sands boasts not one, but two outdoor pools. Double the fun, double the splash. While we don't have the exact measurements, we can tell you that these babies are perfect for cooling off after a day of sunbathing or doing a few laps to work off that extra helping of paella. And if you're more of a sand between your toes kind of person, you're in luck. The hotel is just a hop, skip, and a 300-meter jump away from the beach. But not just any beach, mind you. We're talking about the kind of beach that makes postcards jealous. Picture fine white sand that feels like powder under your feet, and water so clear you can see your toes wiggling at the bottom. And if you're feeling adventurous, the famous Corralejo Dunes Natural Park is right on your doorstep. Imagine rolling sand dunes as far as the eye can see, meeting the turquoise waters of the Atlantic. It's like being on another planet, but with better weather and cocktails. Speaking of adventure, let's chat about activities. While we don't have a full rundown of what's on offer, we can make some educated guesses based on the hotel's four-star status and location. Fancy a workout? There's likely a fitness center on-site to help you keep those holiday indulgences in check. More into relaxation? The hotel boasts a full-service spa where you can pamper yourself to your heart's content. Imagine melting away your stress with a soothing massage or rejuvenating your skin with a facial using local ingredients. Bliss! And let's not forget about the water sports. With the Atlantic Ocean as your playground, the possibilities are endless. Surfing, windsurfing, kite surfing. If it involves a board and some waves, you can probably do it here. And for those of you who prefer to keep your feet dry, how about a spot of beach volleyball or a leisurely stroll along the shoreline? Now, we know some of you might be wondering about the little ones. While we don't have specific details about kids' clubs or activities, the Barceló Corralejo Sands seems like a pretty family-friendly joint. With those two pools we mentioned earlier, we're willing to bet there's plenty of splashing fun to be had for kids of all ages. And with the beach so close by, sandcastle competitions and shell collecting expeditions are definitely on the cards. But the fun doesn't stop at the hotel gates. Corralejo is a vibrant little town with plenty to see and do. Take a stroll down the main strip, and you'll find yourself surrounded by shops, restaurants, and bars. Fancy picking up some souvenirs? You're in luck. There's a bustling shopping area right on your doorstep. And if you're in the mood for a bit of culture, the charming old town is well worth a wander. For the nature lovers among you, the Corralejo Dunes Natural Park is an absolute must-visit. Stretching for miles along the coast, these pristine sand dunes are home to a variety of unique flora and fauna. It's like stepping into a desert, but with the added bonus of the ocean right next door. And if you're feeling really adventurous, why not take a day trip to Lobos Island? This tiny, uninhabited island is just a short boat ride away and offers some of the best snorkeling and diving in the area. Now, let's talk about what really makes the Barceló Corralejo Sands stand out from the crowd. First off, that location is hard to beat. You're right in the heart of Corralejo, with all its shops, restaurants, and nightlife, but you're also just a stone's throw from some of the most beautiful beaches in the Canary Islands. It's the best of both worlds. You can party till the wee hours if that's your thing, or escape to a tranquil beach paradise. Your call. The hotel itself is a modern marvel, combining style and comfort in a way that makes you feel instantly at home. And let's not forget about those views. Whether you're gazing out at the ocean or taking in the bustling town below, there's always something to catch your eye. But perhaps the real star of the show is the staff. Time and time again, guests rave about the friendly, attentive service they receive at the Barceló Corralejo Sands. From the moment you check in to the sad day you have to leave, you'll be treated like royalty. Need recommendations for the best local restaurants? They've got you covered. Fancy a late checkout? They'll do their best to accommodate. It's this level of personalized service that really sets the hotel apart. Now, we wouldn't be doing our job if we didn't mention a couple of small niggles that some guests have reported. A few folks have mentioned that noise can sometimes be an issue, particularly if you're in a room facing the street. And there have been a couple of comments about maintenance issues here and there. But hey, no hotel is perfect, right? And the overwhelmingly positive reviews suggest that these are minor blips rather than major problems. Speaking of positive reviews, did we mention that the Barceló Corralejo Sands has snagged TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Awards in both 2021 and 2024? That's right, this place is officially awesome according to the people who matter most, the guests. With an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 from over 8,000 reviews, it's clear that this hotel is doing something right. Now, while we don't have specific details about events and comfort facilities, we reckon a swanky place like this probably has some options for those of you mixing business with pleasure. Maybe a meeting room with a view of the ocean to inspire your next big idea, or a conference hall for larger gatherings. Whatever your needs, we're sure the helpful staff would be more than happy to assist. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.